Welcome to our channel. I hope this video is useful. How to use men-I.
Men-I. Words with the circumfix men-I are transitive verbs. Like other forms of affixation, men-I gives different meaning when attached to the base word. In this chapter we look at some of these meanings. Unlike men-gone words, which include transitive verbs and adjectives, men-I words are only transitive verbs. There are no men-I adjectives. The main point to remember about men-I verbs is that the object are directly follows the verbs is conceptualized as a static location. That is, the object does not change location. Some examples later in this chapter will clarify this further. Various meaning of men-I verbs. To apply or take off.
Air, water. Mengairi.
To water, rice field.
Gambar, picture. Menggambari.
To draw a picture.
Gula, sugar. Menggulai.
To sweeten.
Kulit, skin. Menguliti.
To skin something.
Minyak, oil. Meminyaki.
To oil.
Obat, medication. Mengobati.
To treat with medication.
Sisik, scales. Menyisik.
To scale, fish.
Tanda tangan, signature. Menandatangani.
To sign.
Warna, color. Mewarnai.
To color in.
To act in manner of.
Baik, good. Membaiki.
To be good to someone.
Bintang, star. Membintangi.
Star in a film.
Bohong, lie. Membohongi.
To deceive.
Dalang, puppeteer. Mendalangi. To mastermind. Guru, teacher. Menggurui.
To patronize.
Jahat,
Bad, evil.
menjahati.
To treat someone badly.
Juara, champion. Menjuarai.
To win, game.
Kasih,
Love, affection.
mengasihi.
To love, have affection for.
Ketua,
Chairperson.
mengetuai.
To chair, head.
Musuh, enemy. Memusuhi.
To treat as enemy.
Raja, king. Merajai.
To rule over.
Sponsor, sponsor. Mensponsori.
To sponsor.
Sutradara,
Film director.
menyutradarai.
To direct films.
Wakil,
Representative.
mewakili.
To represent.
To cause something to become what is indicated by the base word.
Basah, wet. Membasahi.
To wet.
Kotor, dirty. Mengotori.
To dirty.
Kurang, less. Mengurangi.
To reduce.
Luka, wound. Melukai.
To hurt, physical or emotional.
Repeated action.
Some men-I verbs indicate that the action is done repeatedly to one or more objects.
Ambil, get, take. Mengambil.
To get or take things.
Bakar, burn. Membakari.
To burn land or things.
Cium, kiss. Menciumi.
To kiss repeatedly.
Garuk, scratch. Menggaruki. To scratch repeatedly. Gigit, bite. Menggigiti. To bite repeatedly. Pukul, hit. Memukuli.
To hit repeatedly.
Tebang, fell. Menebangi.
To fell many trees.
Contrast between men-I and men-con verbs.
Some men-I and men-gone verbs with the same base word have different meanings depending on how the object, the primary object, if there are two objects in the sentence, is perceived or conceptualized. As mentioned at the beginning of this chapter, the object in sentences with the men-I verb is conceptualized as a static location.
It does not change location, it moves from one place to another. Notice below that in one of the object
Saya.
is stationary, while in 1b the object radio itu changes location from where
Bu Ratih.
had it before to a location to the table.
Bu Ratih mendekati saya siang tadi. Bu Ratih
approached me this afternoon.
Bu Ratih mendekatkan radio itu ke meja saya. Bu Ratih
Brought the radio closer to my table.
Ibu mengantari Bu Marni kue.
Mother brought
Bu Marni.
cake.
Bu Marni.
Stay where she is.
Ibu mengantar kue untuk Bu Marni.
Mother brought a cake for
Bu Marni.
the cake changed location from mother's hands to
Bu Marni. Ahmad menyirami kebunnya setiap sore.
Ahmad waters his garden every afternoon.
The garden stays where it is.
Ahmad menyiramkan seember air ke pohon itu.
Ahmad poured a bucket of water on the tree.
The water changes location from the bucket in Ahmed's hands to the tree.
Indifferentiated men I and men con.
Sometimes Indonesian speakers do not differentiate between men I and men gon, which can be confusing for some learners. Fortunately, there are not too many cases where this occurs. Here are some examples.
Memanasi.
To heat. Example, food, milk.
Memanaskan.
To heat. Example, food, milk.
Memberati.
To trouble or cause anxiety.
Memberatkan.
To trouble or cause anxiety.
Memikiri.
To think about.
Memikirkan.
To think about.
Menamai.
To name.
Menamakan.
To name.
Mengingini.
To want, desire.
Menginginkan.
To want, desire.
Menyakiti.
To hurt, feelings.
Menyakitkan.
To hurt, feelings. Other men I and men con contrast.
Some other men I and men gon words share the same base word but no obvious contrast in meaning, unlike those we saw in section 13.2. The best way to remember them might just be to learn them by heart.
Memperingati.
To commemorate.
Memperingatkan.
To warn, reprimand.
Mendahului.
To overtake, to beat someone in something.
Mendahulukan.
To put something or someone first.
Menyelamati.
To congratulate.
Menyelamatkan.
To save someone or something.
As discussed in chapter 9, in some cases an intransitive verb can be transformed into a transitive verb by using men verbs suffixed either by I or gon. The meaning may be similar or it may change. Here are some example with men I.
Berdiam di.
To live in.
Mendiami.
To occupy. Inhabit.
Bertemu dengan.
To meet with.
Menemui.
To go and see someone.
Duduk di.
To sit on.
Menduduki.
To occupy a position or territory.
Hadir di.
To present at, attend.
Menghadiri.
To attend.
Marah kepada.
To be angry with.
Memarahi.
To be angry with. Scold.
Masuk ke.
To go into, enter.
Memasuki.
To go into, enter.
Menikah dengan.
To get married to.
Menikahi.
To wed.
Percaya kepada.
To believe in.
Mempercayai.
To believe in, trust.
Sadar akan.
To be aware of.
Menyadari.
To realize.
Suka akan dengan.
To like, be fond of.
Menyukai.
To like, favor.
Tahu tentang.
To know about.
Mengetahui.
To know something.
Summary.
Words with men I are transitive verbs. The object of men I verbs is conceptualized as a static location. The men I affixation give different meanings to the base word. Contrast between men I
and men gon verbs. Some are contrasted in meaning. The object in men I does not change location, while in men gon it does. Some men I and men gon verbs are not differentiated in meaning, while some others are. Some many verbs have corresponding intransitive verbs. Some of them have similar meanings, while others are quite different.
Thank you for watching this video. Hopefully useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe.